Hey gang, welcome to Smartwatch Tics. We're a YouTube channel on the web at smartwatchtics.com. You guys have had an exposure to a couple of really interesting altimeter, barometer, compass type watches. This being the M7 for about $56, a little less with the coupon from Banggood, and this puppy here with the transflective screen being the North Edge RANGE5 for about $134, again a little less with the coupon. What's the difference and which one would you want? Let's run through it really quickly. This one, the high-end one, the expensive one, 5 atmosphere waterproofing. It's got dive functions on it, so you can measure the depth that you're going underwater in tenths of a meter, and time elapsed since you started it, as well as the ambient temperature. Of course, it does all the other stuff, as GPS, GLONASS, BIDOW. This one has all of that stuff too, but for your traditional type of activities like running and cycling and walking and so forth. The altimeter and everything works on both of them to keep track of your height. You can reset all of that, and so you can monitor gains and decreases. This one's got a very thick, rubberized, made for underwater type of a band. This one's got likewise a breathable TPU dual kind of band, very lightweight, very easy to use. They're both really nice watches. This one's waterproofing is questionable. It doesn't really even talk about it, so you don't want to go underwater with this. Doesn't support swimming, but you know what it does do is Bluetooth calling. It's got speaker, microphone. You can do the Siri and the Google activation with this when you're tethered to your watch. This one, of course, doesn't do any of that. The screen is basically dim in regular light. You can get a backlighting on it, but you certainly can't make it really bright like this one can, and it times out pretty quickly. It shows you all of your information, but it works really great in bright sunlight reflected off of the screen. They're both really good watches. This one, if you're going to be diving, underwater usage, and want high accuracy. This one, if you want a general purpose regular watch that's got activities for your typical things, but not swimming and diving. Some health functions in it. This says just heart rate. This does the blood oxygen and all the other kind of things as well. And of course, Bluetooth calling. Big price difference, $56 versus $134. But there's your quick comparison. Whatever your needs are should probably dictate which one is right for you. Thanks for watching, gang. We'll see you again soon.